Do you know what to do?
Well, it says put it by.
Show us your thing. Okay, cool. Have you opened it yet?
No,
Oh, she's unboxing.
I can see if I can get it open. So it's a different one each day.
Yeah. Show us in your camera. Hold it up. Okay. Hold it up. There you go.
Oh, there. Oh, I see. They're all loose in here.
Yes. It's a
So
little envelope.
yeah.
Okay, so show us the patch.
So I would undo it, and then you
And
put
then
it.
you can put it behind your neck,
I,
or you can put it a couple inches below your belly button, right below like the underwear line or whatever, so it doesn't rub. Or you said it was is your right hip still hurting?
um, not like it did, but I can feel it still some when I walk.
Okay, so what I would do, honestly, Mom, is I would put it right where it hurts the most on your hip.
Like it's sort of on the side of like between the front and the back, like maybe right in the back.
Basically around the spot, right? Because when I'm putting the patch on my knee, sometimes I'm putting it on the medial side, sometimes on the lateral side, right? Like on the inside or the outside of the knee, just depending, right on the joint line. So for you, you kind of just are like, oh, this is kind of where it hurts. Just pop it on there tomorrow morning after you take a shower when you're getting dressed in the morning.
Yeah.
It's the easiest time of day to do it because then you just wear it throughout the day. You won't even realize it's on, and then hydrate, right? Just you're pretty good about drinking water, hopefully.
Yeah, pretty good.
Okay, well, aim to get like half your body weight in ounces or whatever.
To drink a lot.
It can increase the effectiveness by drinking water. And then just take it off tomorrow night when
I go to bed. So then the next day I put it
about 12 hours. And you genuinely need to have it because you're like stimulating in the body for 12 hours and it needs that rest time.
Yeah.
So it's like if there's been a day where I've forgotten to take mine off and I wore it for like 15 hours, then I just don't put a patch on the next day. I let my rest. I skip a day and then I just keep going with it.
And then the next day I put it in the same spot, or I could put it on
I would just keep putting it on that, like where I just keep putting it on that spot. Now it will still help systemically, but because that's kind of where you've been having the most pain lately, that's where I would put it.
So then when do I try the one for sleeping?
The Alavita one, that one you want to make sure that you could do that tonight if you wanted to. Okay, that one's going to help with your sleep and with your skin. And it can be put that one. I just like to put that one on the back of like my neck, right where the cervical spine and thoracic spine.
The sleep one?
Yes, the sleep one.
And you always put it on at night?
Yes, because it naturally increases your melatonin. So you want to wear it when you would be.
So I take it off in the morning and
then you just take it off in the morning and then you put the.
And are you using it every night or just sometimes?
I use it almost every night. Occasionally I forget. If there's just a night where you just are like, I don't want to wear it tonight. Now I do notice that it helps me sleep better and I do feel like it's improving my skin. So it's motivating to wear it. Just like the one that's been helping with pain relief and just energy and all of that. I like wearing it because I feel better. This is just to see if it helps you. And like, if it doesn't, so be it.
Got 2 packs of this X39.
Yes, because that's for the next month. Because bought the kit so for people watching this, if you want to get 2 months of X39 and 2 skincare, like the 2 of the Alavita months, you can buy the $295. Okay.
That seems good.
Okay. Thanks, Mom.
All right.
We'll meet and we'll do this again. Then we'll try to do one on Sunday.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Okay. Love you. Bye.
Thank you, Mom.